Perennial gardens, fruit trees, greenhouse, and 29 acres of private Vermont land, this retreat is a farm-to-table dream. Nestled just minutes from Stowe and Jay Peak, this contemporary mountain home combines privacy, scenic beauty, and functional living. Rolling meadows, mature woodlands, and breathtaking green mountain vistas surround the property, creating a peaceful backdrop for everyday life. Area includes a cozy gas stove and flows seamlessly to a generous deck with long-range views, ideal for entertaining or relaxing beneath the stars. The first-floor primary suite offers comfort and privacy, while the second level currently serves as a spacious studio with endless possibilities, office, gym, or additional living space. A charming half-story guest suite with bath welcomes friends and family, and the partially finished basement provides excellent storage. Energy efficiency is a priority, with propane heat, an outdoor wood furnace, solar power, and high-efficiency heat pumps ensuring year-round comfort. The expansive garage with high ceilings accommodates vehicles, equipment, and recreational toys, while a poured pad offers future possibilities for expansion. Outdoors, the greenhouse, fruit and nut trees, and landscaped gardens create a farm-to-table lifestyle, complemented by trails for hiking, snowshoeing, or quiet reflection. A 29-acre abutting building lot with a 5-bedroom permit is listed separately, offering an extraordinary opportunity to expand or create a family compound. This Vermont retreat delivers privacy, sustainability, and connection to the land, perfect for those seeking a legacy property, a creative sanctuary, or a truly inspired way of life.